Hello everyone, in this video we will write first Java program where we will see how to print a message on console. So let's get started. Let me open notepad. You can use any editor you would like to use. I am using a notepad because it is very common editor and it will be available in everybody's system. Let us get started writing the code. Class name. You can write any meaningful name and it should start with caps letter. Let me write main method, public static void main string args should be a type variable. Please don't worry about this code. I will be explaining each and every keyword we are writing as part of this program. Now let me write a statement to print message system dot out dot print the message my first Java program. Let us end with some excitement symbol, semicolon. Now let me explain the program. We have started program writing with class because every line of code we write in Java must be part of a class. Now let me explain the main method. Main method, this is the signature of main method. Program execution in Java gets started from main method. So main method is also mandatory in Java. Now about public keyword, public any method which is declared as public can be accessed anywhere in the application. Since JVM is calling main method outside from outside of this class, so it is so the method is declared as public. About a static, any method which is declared as a static can be called without creating object of that class. Even that method which has static can be called without before creating object as well. About void, void is nothing but it is a return type of the method, and void means nothing, so main method is not going to return anything. Main is the name of a main method. Main method is taking one argument, that is array type string argument. String is nothing but predefined class. Args is nothing but user defined variable. uh, you can write any name as per your convenience. I have written args, uh, but it should be array type. Now about a system.out.print. This is the statement which is used to print any message on the console. System is nothing but it is a predefined class. Out is the member of system, and out is the short form of output stream. It is out is responsible to pass any data, any message to the output device, and print is the method which is used to print the message. Here message is written in double quote because it is a string type message, and every statement in Java is ended with semicolon, so we are writing semicolon here. This is all about this program. Now let me save this program. Click on save as. It is recommended to write the same name as class name, but you can write any name here. uh, uh, it is recommendation to write the class name where main method is declared. So I am writing this name of this file as the class name, and .java is mandatory, so put .java as a extension. Let me save it. I am saving it to the D drive and the QA Insights by ZiyaurRahman folder. Let me click on save. It has been saved. Now we will compile the source code and we will execute the program. Uh, so I will be using command prompt to execute this program. Let me open command prompt. Let me open both the window where I have saved source code, so that once I will compile it, bytecode will be generated, and you can see how bytecode gets generated as soon as we compile it. Uh, Here I would add one point. To execute the program, JDK is mandatory to be installed in the system. So if you do not have installed JDK yet in your system, please do watch my previous video where I have explained step by step how to install JDK and what is compilation. These all these all are basic concepts which already I have explained. So please do watch those videos. Now let me go ahead and compile it. So first we need to go inside the drive where we have saved the source code, uh, Java program. So we have saved it in D drive. Let me go to the D drive. We have saved it inside QA Insights by ZiyaurRahman. So let me go to that folder, CD QA Insights by ZiyaurRahman. We enter in that drive. Now to compile the code, we have a command java c followed by file name, source code name. So we have given the name first Java program. So first, and .java is mandatory here to be written. So we have written the code java c first Java program .java. Let us enter. See, as soon as we entered, no any error we got. It means successfully it has been compiled. And if it will be compiled successfully, uh, bytecode should be generated. Here we can see bytecode has been generated. This has dot class file. Bytecode is nothing but dot class file, and this file will be further used by JVM to get the program executed and get the result. Now let us move ahead and execute the program. To execute the program, we have a command Java. So let me write Java, and then let me write the dot class file name. So it has name first Java program. First Java program. Dot class is not needed to be written here. So without dot class, we have to write the file name. So we have written Java first Java program. Now let me see. We have entered and we got the result. My first Java program. This is the result we wanted. This is we wanted through this program to get printed on the console. So we got our expected result here. That's all in this video. If you feel video is helpful, please do like and share the video, and also please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for